Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to replace the motor. Start by making sure your trimmer is off and unplugged. Remove the belt cover. To remove the bolts used to hold the motor, you will need a hexagonal key of 5/16. You will need to open the wire box on the motor. Here we are working on a mini trimmer 50 Hz. The green wire will always go to the ground connector. Secure it with the provided screw. You can see the blue wire and the red wire. If you have a 60 Hz machine, the red wires will be black. The configuration will be similar for a tabletop, original, and silver bullet trimmer. Install the motor pulley. Make sure that the small square magnet is placed, and then push the pulley onto the motor's rod. You can use a rubber mallet to gently tap the pulley into place. Tighten the 2 screws inside of the pulley. Here is how to configure a larger motor, such as the half-horsepower motor used on a Gladiator. Pay attention to the configuration sticker on the top side of the motor. This will indicate to you how to properly wire the motor. The green wire will always go to the ground connector. Secure it with the provided screw. Each wire is numbered to avoid confusion. We are configuring this motor for low voltage. L1 goes with 1, 3, and 8. L2 goes with 4, 5, and 2. Next, you will need to reinstall the belt. To do so, please refer to the guide, Installing a New Belt. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support at 604-458-0341.